A very good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vaibhav and I'm the founder of IAMSkills. I'm going to host this content writing orientation class for Ankita, Rasha, Shiva, Shivali, Tharani, and of course, we're expecting a few more people to join in. But given the class, we're supposed to start right at 3. We will start right at 3 now. Before we guys begin in the chat box, let me say hi to everybody. Please acknowledge that you're all able to hear my voice loud and clear. You guys can see the screen, and of course, we are recording this session so that you guys can check the same anytime there on our YouTube channel. I have said hi to all there in the chat box. Thank you, Ankita. All right, so let me go ahead and quickly create the agenda for the lesson. In this class, guys, I am going to help you guys to understand content writing industry overview. What is content writing industry all about? What are different types of content writing subjects you are supposed to write? How you guys are finally going to get a dream career that can be a job, business, or freelancing. I will help you to identify 2 sources of income as a content writer you can generate. The most important part is how. And I'm also going to talk about the earning potential in this particular industry, how much time it takes to be there. That's the most important thing we will understand today. I will also help you to set up a 2-year long-term vision with content writing industry, because a lot of people have a belief that if they pursue a short course, let's say for a month or so, they're going to become a pro in the industry. That's absolutely not true. In this class, I will help you to learn around that as well, that how much time it will take for you to become a good content writer. Then in the end, we are going to create and talk about the overview of IAMSkills Content Writing Master Course. Why is that we're the most respected institution delivering content writing programs? What are different things that we do here? Why is that IAMSkills is the most respected institute in this particular domain? And I'm going to put some light there. In the end, we're going to keep 10 minutes open Q&A round. You guys can ask me any question related to your career, content writing, anything, so that I can help you guys to finally decide whether content writing course, career, or this particular subject is for you or not. All right, so let's begin with it. But before we guys begin, let me ask a quick question to Ankita, Asha, Rasha, Shivali, Tharani, everybody, those who are online with me. Why do you think businesses hire content writers? What they expect, what they achieve from you guys? If you can help me to understand that part, whatever so far you understand as a subject, whatever you believe that, okay, content writers are hired to actually help them to actually achieve this particular kind of a job thing, or so that I can go ahead and create for everybody one by one. We all can understand the subject better and take it forward from here. So you guys have 30 seconds. Help me to know why is that. Yes, Shivali, please go ahead. Why is that businesses hire content writers? There's 30 seconds to everybody. $20 seconds now. Sure, let me unmute you, Shivali. You are unmuted.
Yes. Hi, Vaibhav. Hi, everybody else. In my understanding, I think content in content writing, if any company hires me and what my boss expects from me is the right message. It could be in simple language, it could be in any fancy language, but if the message conveyed is received by the customer properly and accepted, it is the right content.
Absolutely, Shivali. Thank you so much for sharing this. You can surely mute yourself back. And let me help Tharani to unmute her. Tharani, you are also unmuted. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I believe like if we can, when we become content writer, we can get a proper connection between the customer and the whatever the audience and everybody.
Absolutely true. That's great, Tharani. Let me mute you back. And everybody now please pay attention to this. Broadly, whatever you people are saying is absolutely correct. Ankita said businesses hire content writers so that they can provide their content to the customers in a better way. Now, let me help you to understand the industry, because you know what, when you're aware about the roadmap, you can finally go ahead and decide upon that how much or how it takes to be there, all such things, right? I'm going to create that roadmap. Now, there are 3 different types of businesses in the market. These businesses are businesses, they have a nature of a business for acquisition of a customer, means online sales. Businesses, they generate leads, lead generation based companies. Businesses, those who are into brand building, or their objective is to develop a brand. I'll give you guys some great examples here. You all will be able to relate it better. And there are few other types of companies, I would say 1% market covered by news channels, or you can say publication houses and all. I'm also going to help you to understand what it is, how it works. So let's understand the 99% market share that you guys will be finally catering to as an employee, as a freelancer, or as an agency owner. Now, I have mentioned online sales. Now, which all types of companies are there? Those who have a model for online acquisition or online sales model. Flipkart, Zomato, Amazon. Now, what it is, let's relate. Today, if you have a plan, let's say to buy iPhone 11. Now, what you will do, you will open application of iPhone, Amazon, either the mobile app, or let's say you will open the web application. You will write here, Amazon.in. So that means you have directly opened the application and you know what Amazon is. You're not searching about it from the internet. In the search engine here, you will write iPhone 11. And in front of you, you have a product, let's say iPhone 12 or 11, whatever it is. You will click here. If you are liking this product, the product is under the budget, the color combination, whatever you are looking at is all in sync to the plans that you have. You will click here and you will finally end to buy. Now understand, the one who has designed this page, is a front-end developer. The one who has provided this content, these words, all right, or the one who has written the product description is a role of a content writer. But that's not just this. Now for Amazon, they have millions of products with them and they would like to sell them. That's the model, right? If they have listed iPhone 13, they would like people to buy. They're not just listing the product for the fancy thing. What happens next? There are audience, they Google a term called iPhone 11, right? Now understand what content writers are actually doing in the market. This is a national flag Indian market. iPhone 11 is being searched 1.8 million times monthly by the people there on internet like Google. Understood? How do they react when they search? People like us. 6,10,000 some people click at SEO based results. I'll talk about it, what it is. 3,10,000 people click at paid ads. 50% audience, 9 lakh people, they don't click anywhere. Let's minimize this. Now understand, Google offers services to run advertisements, text-based, infographic-based, shopping ads, video-based. Now, can you see these ads? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are ads by Google, ADS, right? From this A till this black K, these are 60 characters created by a copywriter. The one who has created this image is a job of a graphic designer. And the person who has designed this advertisement is a job of a digital marketer. But the one who writes the content here, and for this landing page stands for the person wheresoever this person will land. So this person lands to this page. The one who has created this page, all these things are done by content writers. The placements, everything are done by different categories, different people. But the one who will create the content is a writer. It can be a copywriter, it can be a content writer. Understood so far? Then on the other side, we have seen 6,10,000 people, they click at organic results. Now understand, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the organic results in front of you, means results that appears in front of you organically without spending anything. Now in this particular segment, there is one word that you need to understand. Every organization, Google, Yahoo, Bing, these are search engines. So they have their webmaster guidelines. In a technical term, we call them SEO, search engine optimization. The content that you have produced, is it aligned as per the rules created by these guys? If yes, then they are going to showcase your content to more and more number of people. Because when somebody search iPhone 11, they have these many results with them, search engines. But only the lucky 8 people, they are going to get placed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the more higher rankings on the internet you have, the higher chances people are likely to click and finally they may buy because they're the end buyers. Are you all able to relate? And even if you are here at page number 1, but your position is somewhere at 8th, 9th, or some other position, you're very less likely to get clicks. In that context, what's the loss for the company? If a company like Amazon, their core business model is to sell, and they are not getting clicks organically or through ads, what they lose? They lose customers, potential people, buyers. Now, who helps them to get the customer? Who helps them to actually be there, create their presence there? Of course, it's a mixed role from various types of things, including, SEO guy, including the one who writes the content. But if you actually understand the overall concept, with their millions of products, they need millions of writers to create that content copy. And that's the job writers do. In the case when somebody is looking forward for this type of a business model. Everybody, are you clear? Now, if you understand, Amazon may also like to advertise on, on a channel called Facebook. But do you think customers are searching for with the buying intentions? Their answer is no. That's the job of a digital marketer. They may go ahead, run a remarketing campaign, but the relationship begins here on the internet. And if somebody is actually writing about a product there on their own particular platform, that means you are bound to buy. Such types of traffic stands for direct traffic. They have done enough of a trust building in the last 10, 15 years that people are now comfortable opening directly Amazon, and they're looking forward to buy. That's the model. Understood? Now, this is first type of a company. Second type of a company we are going to talk about is companies into lead generation model. Now, which all companies are there? They actually do this lead generation kind of thing. And what is lead generation? I'll give you a couple of great examples here, and everybody will be able to relate it better. So while you will search for content writing course, I assume you have not just searched for content writing course. Some of you might have written best content writing course, India, online, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Which one is the best institute? Exactly. I mean, there are different types of terms you might have searched, correct? In the end of the day, everywhere you have seen us and some other competitors in the market. Wherever you have actually been to, us or other organization, none of us have asked you buy a course. Am I correct? There was a model. What we have done, we have asked you download a brochure or take online demo free or speak with somebody. Am I correct? But to do all these activities here or somewhere else, what have you given? Name, email, and phone number. Now, let's assume if Shiva from our team has given you a call. So this person is aware about it, that you're interested to take up content writing as a career. So what do we get? We get a potential and a qualified leads. Are you able to relate this? Now, madam, even if you're checking, let's say, our reviews, the final call to action is attend a demo, speak with somebody. What happens next? The next great thing that happens is that with this particular thing, we are able to capture all the potential people in the market, those who have a plan to take content writing as a career. Now, not just us, 70% of businesses out there, they have a model of lead generation only. I'll give you an example here. Have you heard about Naukri.com? I assume yes. Naukri.com is providing you a job. Answer is no. What happens with the Naukri.com? Let's say if you're searching for a job as a content writer, right? You search for this term. On the right side, Naukri says increase your chances by 98%, upload your resume or upload your latest profile. Correct? Now, for Naukri, the lead may have different terms: name, number, email, educational background, marital status, your last earning, organization details, everything. Now, there are HR consultants, they buy the data from Naukri.com, again, leads. They qualify those leads with the current openings they have. If you guys get jobs, they get the commission from the other company. Can you understand the model here? What's the model of Just Dial? Somebody searching for a cab driver. This person is listed there. And somebody called Just Dial. So what happens next? Just Dial helps the other person free of cost to get the cab driver. This cab driver somewhere is making a payment to Just Dial because Just Dial has a model to sell leads. Now, what's the role of a writer here? How am I going to help an organization? Now, understand. Your audience is everywhere, depending upon the company. Let's say my audience, IM Skills, this audience is everywhere. Where my audience is at Quora, my audience is at YouTube, my audience is at other articles, my audience is at news channels, my audience is everywhere, right? What's the job of a writer here? One, to understand which all types of content this particular subject audience can search for. Let's say, is content writing a good career? Content writing books, content writing jobs, career scale, 2022 career. I mean, everything around the subject, courses related stuff, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, online, all these types of things, maybe international. The job is to pick up all the potential channels wherever this audience is. With that, the next thing is produce a content. Now, content has 4 forms. What these forms are: text, voice means podcast, videos means YouTube types of stuff, and infographic means social media shares, images, and all that. Understood? 4 forms where you can use to distribute the content. However, the writer's job is to go ahead and create or produce a content so that wherever the audience is, wherever they search around a subject, they can see the brand, and final call to action will be attend a demo, take a download kind of a stuff, or speak with somebody so that we can capture the potential lead. And it goes with every other brand. So they hire you, you have to go ahead. Now, in this type of a business, if you get a job, what kind of a skill set you should have? You should have a very good research-based skills. If you're good at researching, you will be able to go ahead and finally decide how I can go ahead and create a content for the audience wherever my audience is searching around the subject my particular company is selling. Then you should know how to produce all the other types of content for video marketing, for SEO based content, listicle article, a landing page content, copywriting skills, and a multiple skills like that. Understood? Now let's learn around the last part of the, the industry objective, that's called brand building. Now help me to understand, why do you think people, they leverage, content writing for a brand reach? Now, okay, instead of asking you guys, let me create so that we can save our time. Now, you might have noticed, how many of you are active user with the site called Quora? How many of you actively use Quora? Or how many of you have a habit of reading at least news around something, let's say on the, instead of watching television, you have habit of reading some news, latest stuff from, let's say your devices like laptop or mobile. Now, you know that anything and everything that you talk around, they are listening, the mobiles are listening. That's why we call them smartphones. Now, what happens is, in the last few days, if you're searching for content writing or related courses, you might have noticed one thing. You might have been getting a notification around, would you like to, let's say, you've never been to these articles. If you open your mobile Chrome, the application, after the search bar, you see you are getting a content like this. You missed reading, something like this. Now, this says some articles that you've never been to, and these articles are content writing career scope, content writing best institutes, all such types of content. So being targeted in a channel like Instagram by us competitors, you are getting, for no reason, you're getting views on your social activities as well, all around content writing. Anybody in the group who have noticed this part? Right, great, Shivali. Now what happens next? Now, what exactly it is? Now, there is a set audience. This set audience is basically an audience around content writing. All right. Now, brands are reaching out to you because they would like to go ahead and give you those information that, finally be able to go ahead and create a brand image in front of you. Let's say if you have read 100 articles and every time you've read IM skills, every time you have read IM skills, what next? You get this. You get this, that IM skills around this subject is a good known brand I can trust. I'll give you another example. If you talk about, there are elections in North India. One is in Punjab, other one is in Uttar Pradesh. Not even a single party will directly ever say one thing, that vote to us. Now, let's say you are reading Quora, you're an active user at Quora. When you read stuff at Quora, let's say you read about one particular topic, Quora will start sending you emails, push emails every day with the millions of upvotes, comments. They promote you. Have you noticed this part? And that particular content that you receive, this content is basically around a subject that you like, you love reading around. What exactly it is? It is like they know your behavior. They know what you like. Based on this, they reach out to masses. Now, let's say there is one political party and there is one party. They would like to go ahead and give you guys an information around something that's about their achievements or their planning so that you can consider them voting. Now, let's say Ayush is somebody who has a core interest in politics, wherever he will be. Let's say he's at a saloon, he will talk about politics. He's with friends, he will talk about politics. His political point of view for that particular party will have great points to talk about. With that, what they do with content writers, they create a great storyline in a way without asking you to vote that this particular company, this particular person, this particular organization, this particular political party have done great part for the country, for the state. Consider them. And so it's they actually create a strong brand image indirectly so that you can actually understand, okay, that's the way it works. Understood, everybody? Now, this brand with content writers, what's the great part, and or what kind of a skill set do you need? Basically, if you're looking forward to develop a great brand, you should have understanding about how to create a good story, how to connect your audience towards something that they can finally relate it to, that, okay, I think this person is talking about. Some people are so great motivational speakers, right? It's again a brand building. They actually create their pitch in a way that everybody, even it's a batch of 1,000 people, right? And there is one motivational speaker who is giving you a lecture around something. Their way, the way they actually present that pitch, the story is like that, that everybody in the group can connect or can relate it in that way. Understood, everybody? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, these are core 3 different types of companies. They actually go ahead and leverage content writers for these purposes. And then 1% market is like, let's say you are hired for Times of India. Your job will be to release PR, write articles for brands, cover a news publication or some kind of a thing. Maybe you're going to get a job with Notion Press kind of a company. They are into their publication houses. They will help people for proofreading, publishing their books, all that. Rare occasions, very, very rare number of openings are there. Majorly, brands, they hire only for these purposes. Now, so far what I've done, I have helped you to understand what are the different types of things are going to be expected from you, from the market, or from you guys in the market. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to help you to figure out what it takes to be there, how to go ahead and get that particular thing that you're looking forward to. And it can be a job, it can be a freelance career, or it can be a business after learning content writing. But before I talk about it, I would like to ask everybody, including Abhishek, Ankita, Antu, Asha, Ayush, Jaya Kumar, I'm sorry, Niti, Rasha, Shivali, Sri Lakshmi, Shami, and Dharani, why are you here? What would you like to achieve after learning content writing? If you guys can help me to know that, I am going to create for everybody what it takes to be there. How are you going to achieve your final dreams, like jobs, businesses, and everything? So in the chat box, everybody, please mention, why are you here? I want to be a freelancer. Ankita, I want to improve my writing skills in journal. Very good. Others, please, in the chat box. And let me take a sip of water. I want to be a freelance writer. Very, very good. I want to improve writers that demands in the IT leader post. Okay, very good. I want to be a freelance writer. I'm already a content writer and I've been freelancing. I want to start my own website and develop my skills for a big business. So to understand, you're looking forward to open an agency. Asha says, I have an MBA in English, so wanted to try something with writing content. I'm reviving my career as a freelance and see writing content as an upcoming career opportunity. I want to improve connections with my audience to develop my audience. So looking forward for client engagement, Dharani. Amazing. So let's talk about one by one. Let's begin with a chapter that's called a job. Now, a lot of people, and I would say a lot of institutions, have been spreading one particular word. You do our courses, you're job ready. And the answer is no, you are not. No matter you have certification from IM Skills or anywhere in the market, you do not get a job until unless you do not come up with something that is very strong. Now you have to understand when you will hit the market to finally get a job, right? What happens is we have no clue who will come and hire you. An organization, those who have a business objective to get a client online, online sales, lead generation companies, or brand building based companies, we need to have a portfolio that describes that you know all the types of content writing, but in not in a Word document, real time. Are you getting me? When I talk about real time, in fact, you should know how to publish a book. So what happens is there is a very the rare time you might have heard a term called a subject like portfolio. What exactly portfolio stands for? Portfolio is that as a writer, you have each and every writing types of styles with you, and you've done it practically for various brands. On the other side, the kind of skill set that you're going to develop, you must have each and everything live with you. Now, when I talk about if you know how to write a book, you should have your author account and you have published at least one book. When I talk about SEO based content, you have written those hundreds of it. If you talk about content marketing, assuming this, then you have done it with sites, various sites, not just one. When you talk about that I am a good writer and I can write SOP, I can write resume, I can write XYZ types of contents. All these types of content you have already produced and they are live somewhere. Able to relate? Now, what's the secret ingredient used here at IM Skills? Let me put some light. So can you see these types of content writing skills, right? This is what we teach you in our training program. But interestingly, we just don't teach you all these things. We will go live with all these things so that whatever contents that you have produced, they are live. They're live with your own blog. You will write for 10 other websites. You will publish your book. You will write for Times of India blog. You're going to go ahead and publish your PR. You're going to do each and everything practically so that that is a strong portfolio that you have. And then once we provide you with a job, we are sure that you have done it. You will be doing it for the other companies too. So once you complete our internship and we help you to get a job, you are basically ready to hit the market. Now, there are some secret ingredients that we use. I'm going to put some light on that part very soon in next 5-10 minutes after creating around freelancing and businesses. But people, are you all clear that this is how it works here at IM Skills? What and how? I'll put some light on that particular subject in next 5-10 minutes. Quick acknowledgement. Very good. Now let me go ahead and help you guys to understand around a subject called freelancing, and I'll club it with business. Now freelancers, please understand one thing. You guys also need a portfolio. Without portfolio, it is difficult to pitch and it is difficult to hit the market. And on the other side, without marketing skills, without selling skills, without skills like finance management, HR management, people management, and every type of a company thing, you need to become a CEO of your, whether you're a one-person company or you're a 100 people, 10 people company. You should have multiple skill sets with you, including understanding about marketing, including SEO, website, everything. So you need to work 3 times more than these guys, those who are here to get a job, because job people, it's easy for those guys to develop their portfolio. They will be ready to hit the market. But business people, unlike other organizations, we will not take you to freelance sites and then apply for a work there, because thousands of others are already doing the same job there. What we do, we teach you everything so that you go live with everything and you launch yourself as a fully fledged agency or a freelancer who can actually have a trust that the content that I'm going to produce first for myself, forget the others, will be ranked and I will be capturing leads from the internet. And remember one thing, a promise made to all, you are also going to capture your first client in the training. And if that doesn't happen, you can sue us or ask for a money return. It's a recorded line. We'll upload it, followed by all the guidelines given by your faculties. Now, what's the secret ingredient of IM Skills? Why are we the most respected institution delivering the courses? When I talk about it, we give people an open opportunity. Go ahead and speak, check who we are. If you open LinkedIn, I assume each and everybody has LinkedIn access, right? Just search IM Skills there in the search box, right? You are going to get list of thousands of people. I repeat, not hundreds, Thousands of people, those who have done our training programs, they've been interning here. Now they're working for top, big, mid-sized companies. Talk to them. Where are they today? What they have achieved. It's an open platform for everybody to simply go ahead, connect with the people. Hundreds of people are there, thousands of people are there. Talk, connect, and get the answer from the real people who have first-hand experience of doing the same course with us. Now, let me put some light here. Now, what's the secret ingredient? Now, what we do, we are inviting people from different backgrounds with different academic backgrounds. Their professional achievements are different. Some are even students, and everybody have a different aim altogether. Some people are slow learners, some are very fast learners, and some are average learners. Now, what happens is, what we are promising, one training program known as Content Writing Master Course, and a promise made to the person who is here to get a job that he will get a job. Freelancers, you will become a freelancer, or business, you will start a business. Now, practically, do you think somebody sitting in the same arts class will become a lawyer? Practically possible. But the same person sitting in the art class will become a doctor? Not possible. And somebody sitting in the arts class will become, let's say, chartered accountant? Not possible, because the alignment from the academic delivery background is not for these two guys. For this, yes, it is, correct? So one state CWMC course can surely get people a job, but how come freelancing? How come businesses? Don't you think it's a mixture of many things? So here is my answer. What's the unique part, the secret ingredient of IIM Skills? We deliver our courses in a personalized way. Now, what happens is that we understand people who are here, those who are joining us, including, let's say, Abhishek, Ankita, Antu, they are from a different backgrounds. Now, we also understand one part, that people from different backgrounds are going to have, or they need to develop multiple skill sets. However, what we do, we actually deliver a training program considering in the first 1 month, each one of you have no idea how to write. Now, when I talk about how to write, in this context, we teach each and every student together, wherein all these 25 types of writing styles, we give people a complete hands-on learning. So what happens is that you will learn how to write an article, blogs, publishing a book, all such things. And there are weekly assessments that we will do. So every Sunday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m., we are going to provide you guys live lecture. Then 3 assignments every week. You are going to submit them. Before next Sunday class, you are going to get a feedback. By any chance, there are things that you are not clear about. My colleagues, those who are actually taking care of our feedback part, they will take you on Zoom. They will re-explain you that part, and then you can rework on that particular thing. So for 4 Sundays, 4 consecutive Sundays, this works. What we believe and what we get after 4 weeks of classes, people all can write 25 types of content writing or subjects. Then what we do, we give you guys 1 week to complete all your assignments, and we take first IIM Skills exams with you guys. If you clear that, we will move you after 1 week break. So from the 6th week onwards, in the 10 weeks online internship program. Now there we have fixed virtual classes every Sunday again from 8 to 9 p.m. I am going to be the host, and we are going to take you live. So what I'll do, we are going to define our audience into 2 different categories: job, business. So job guys, your focus will be develop a portfolio. I'm going to take online classes, and I'm going to give you guys work so that you can develop your portfolio and add various things. Shiva will talk about that. Business people, I will teach you marketing. I will teach you selling skills. I will teach you how to do everything so that you are live. In the 4 months program, you are going to be live with everything. You will get a job if you're here to get a job. You are going to get your first client, freelancing or business client, within the training. So this is how we deliver our courses. So it's a 4 months commitment that you need to give, and you're going to achieve all your financial goals like this. Everybody, are you all well aligned? So we don't deliver somebody who's here to become a doctor, a delivery around become a chartered accountant. Are you all able to relate? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, let me go ahead and talk about the most important part of our training program. In this training program here at IIM Skills, not even a single subject is theory. Whatever you learn, you're going to practically implement that. Now, I have a humble request to make. Now, for me, it's definitely easy to say that you will publish your first book. You will write for 10 websites. You are going to produce content for your own blog and XYZ things, okay? Now, see, saying it is definitely easy. This requires 4 months of a commitment. And believe me, if you are not ready for this 4 months commitment, either here or anywhere else, I really don't want you to become our student if you're not ready to give yourself, let's say, at least 1 hour a day and weekend 4 hours. If you are, your career, your everything, we guarantee you for each and everything. But if you are not ready for the implementation part, content writing is not an easy task to go ahead and do, because it takes its own sweet time to produce results, write content and everything. And first you need to have that. Without it, you will not be able to go ahead and create or get a good career from this industry. Are you all clear, guys? Quick yes, no, maybe. And believe me, guys, let me be very clear. People you're speaking with on the phone calls, here or somewhere else, they have a very clear objective to sell you the course. That's the job they have. They want you to become the students, and that's why they earn their job salaries, commissions, incentives. But here at IM Skills, we are very clear about it. We only want students. And see, nobody have a courage. There are hundreds of institutions delivering the same courses, right? I have given you my open LinkedIn. Not even a single review about us is manipulated. We are that bold. Why? Because we know what we are doing and we are doing it authentically. We may have less students, but whosoever is here is either successful or dissatisfied. To dissatisfied, we return their money. To successful people, we make those guys our brand ambassadors and we leverage them. Are you all clear? Now, let's go ahead and talk about the next subject. In the initial, I've said I will talk about 2 sources of revenue one can make as a content writer. Let me introduce you with one new subject called affiliate marketing. You might have never heard around it, or have you? Quick yes, let me take a sip of water meanwhile. You have heard, very good. Those who have never heard about it, let me go ahead and explain. There are 2 types of marketing. Let's say you have a friend there on Instagram. She has 1 lakh followers. You might have noticed she may be promoting some kind of products. Those are not that famous. Those are not that famous, but still. Now, what happens is, to these 1 lakh followers, she has a 10% engagement, means 10,000 people, they like and upvote. So this brand will go, let's say this brand is XYZ, will go to this Instagram person and will say that, why don't you post around us for the next 7 days? We will give you 10,000 rupees. That's kind of a deal they have. Whether in the end somebody will buy or they may not buy, doesn't matter. Influencers, they help the brand to create a buzz around a subject. You might have seen a lot of people nowadays are talking about, if you're parents for a child between let's say 6 months to 5 years of age group, you might have heard around a new product from this mom company, something like this. A lot of people are talking about this on Instagram and all these channels. Have you heard Mom CO company? Yes, am I correct? You might have seen people are talking about these are organic products, these are these products, these are that products, right? It's all influencers, okay? They have a tie-up, promoters, influencers are promoting these things. That's the way it works. But and look at it, today I have promoted this company. They can also go ahead and make me their influencer. Okay, jokes apart. Affiliate marketing is right opposite to it. Let's say Ankita is a very good content writer and she has a grip around education niche, or let's say technology niche, or let's say XYZ different types of niches. Okay. Now, do you remember I have said content has 4 distribution channels? What was that? Text means article writing, blogging, that's text. Voice, that's podcast. Videos, Vimeo, Instagram, IGTV, Reels. What else? YouTube, right? Images, text-based, images, infographics, Pinterest, all these types of contents. Remember, these are 4 channels where a content writer can distribute a content. Now, affiliate marketing job is based on anything and everything that they can write around. They make other organizations as their affiliate. The companies have a tie-up, a signed contract that I'll give you, let's say 20% if somebody will buy a product from your link. So they give you one specific link, stands for affiliated link. With these affiliated links, if somebody will make a purchase, the guy, whosoever is promoting, will get a commission. Now, just for your kind information, the commission is huge, huge like anything. I would like to mention one thing: anything and everything that you buy from the internet, even including your education, it's all affiliated. It's all affiliated. And if you would like to even check, let's say, okay, let me ask you guys a simple question. How many of you have recently made any kind of a purchase from the web after researching about it? Let's say laptop under 50,000, 30,000, best smart watches, something like that you have searched. Then you found, okay, this is the watch, and then you clicked, you made the purchase, or you might have seen about that brand somewhere. Anybody in the group who have made any internet-based purchase like this from the research, and then you bought the product in the group? If you can just mention. Ayush, you did that. Would you mind sharing what was the term that you have searched, my friend? I was comparing it with other products. Likewise, what was that? Okay, I think if you're not comfortable, or let me go ahead and help you to understand this. There you go. Google a term. Okay, let's say Google a term. Best, or let's say laptops under 50,000. Okay, Sri Lakshmi, I get that. Now, one is, these are ads. This website is gadgets.ndtv. NDTV, everybody is aware about, news channel, right? Every link provided here is affiliated. Pay attention to this URL. Can you see this? Link, code, subscription, language. They are promoting this. And 9% is the commission given to the person. Like 6,000 something rupee will be the commission given to the brand. Do you know how much traffic gadgets.ndtv receives? Millions of hits every day. Million hits every day. Close this. Search for education. Or let's say you search for machine learning courses. All these URLs, top 10, these are affiliated. Top 7, open this. Every link here, Coursera, affiliated link. Can you see this? 20% is the commission here. 20% is the commission given to these guys. Are you clear? Now, if somebody will buy this course for this, like 50,000-60,000 rupees product it is, and the course is free, the certification from Stanford University has this much cost. You search for, let's say, unboxing videos. Let's say iWatch SE unboxing. This particular video has 2 models to make money. Model 1 is they are selling and running advertisements in between. Second model is these are all affiliated URLs they are promoting. Can you see this? Couple of minutes back, or in the initial, I searched for iPhone 11. Have you ever thought around it? GSM Arena, why is that this website produce content around every mobile device? Because they run ads for other companies. That's one. Okay. Other than this, they run affiliate channels. Can you see this? gsm.com. Able to relate? So if you buy, they earn a commission. And you know what? How many hits they receive? 88 million hits every month. 88 million hits every month around products related to, mobile devices worldwide, laptops, and anything related to gadgets. And you know how big the market is. You're searching for, let's say, best AC 2021. People, those who write best air conditioners, all this Bijli Bachao, they are all affiliated. All these companies that we are talking about, I'll talk about it, Shivali. Let's say open this website. Now, this is a simple blog. This blog, let's say, belongs to you, Shivali. What is the model? You will sign up with affiliate channel with Amazon. All right. And with this, you are going to promote, let's say this website writes around air conditioner, air cooler, purifier, all these things. Okay. You are giving listicle articles to the companies and you are saying that this is the best AC. If somebody will click here, you get the commission. This is the affiliated link from ECD LAV. All right. If somebody will buy a large appliance, 9% is the commission. Any link. Now, if you look at this writer or the one whosoever is a blogger for this website, have produced content around every home-based stuff, kitchen-related utensils and all that. And they have also, absolutely, they have also given, we participate in Amazon LLC. Of course, everybody is doing that. I have my affiliate channels. And if you actually check, this is advisoruncle.com, belongs to us. It's very, very clearly written here. This is IM Skills. This belongs to us only. These are all affiliated URLs. If you see, if you come from this website, Interdix here, we have this particular URL here. Understood? Now, let me go ahead. So my role as a content writer is to create content, right kind of keyword could bring the max traffic. Wait, Shivali, you will understand everything in the end. Now, let's say I am the one who produced this type of a content for this particular website, and this website belongs to me. And how many articles so far this website have produced? That's their website sitemap, means how many articles they have so far written. You can check them here. I've given you the URL. So until here, these are 20 articles. Give a count to it, processor. Until here, these are 40 articles, 50,000 in India. Until here, these are 60 articles. Until not cooling, 80 articles. Until machines in India, 100 articles. Until air conditioner in India, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 127 articles. Hypothetical figure, let's take it 130 articles with this website. All right. How much affiliate commission Amazon is offering on all these types of stuffs? If you click at learn more, these are rates they are offering. Fine. Research about it after my session. If you sell kitchen appliances, 9%, big appliances, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different types of commissions. Fine. Now, after writing 130 articles, how much hits they receive? Let's analyze that with a website named Ubersuggest. Cars 1, 2, 3. Verify. 2,73,000 hits. All right. Now 2.73 lakh per month traffic. Now, on which keywords do they drive this traffic? US, these are the keywords. India market, English, this is the keywords. These are the keywords. For Hindi market, there are keywords. You can check them here. If you observe, percentage of you have searched for best content writing courses or institutes, and you have landed here because you would like to settle with the best. Am I correct? This type of a content, this type of a traffic stands for transactional keywords that drives money. People are with the intent to buy. Understood? Able to relate. If I'm Googling a stuff, best AC, best mixer grinder, best washing machine, best food processor, my intent is to buy. There is one audience, those who will go straight away to, let's say, Chroma store, or let's say a store around the place. They will buy from that store directly. There is one audience, they search about everything online and they are majorly buying stuff, correct? Online. Am I correct? Quick yes, no, maybe, guys. Now, hypothetical situation, if you believe or see, after writing 130 articles, this website or this blog, Energy Conversion Devices, receives 2,73,000 hits. What percentage on a bare minimum number, if you have to count, what percentage of people do you think are the buyers? On a scale of 1% to 100%, what percentage of people do you think those who land to this blog with a term like best AC, best this, are likely to click and buy either today within like 10 months, sorry, 6 months is the cache time span they get. So if they will be able to make the purchase, not today, after 1, 2, 3 months, still this guy will get a commission. Ayush says 10%, Abhishek says 15%. Others, give me any figure that comes to your mind. Ankita, Antu, Asha, Francis, Jayakumar, Niti, Poonam, Rasha, Rajesh, Sri Lakshmi, Shivali, Tharani. Whatever the number that comes to your mind. Ankita says maybe 20%, Sri Lakshmi says 15%. I'll give you guys a bare minimum number of 1%. Bare minimum, dead. You can just call it that. No matter what, in the end, this particular blog gets just 1% commission. Now, if you see, the commission percentage is very high. If you're selling 40,000 product, 9% is commission is like 3,600 rupees. Bare, it's like almost around almost. It's good in terms of $40-50. Let's not take that as a number. Let's take $2 per sale is. So 2,730 multiplied by $2, this particular blog bare minimum makes 5,460 USD. 5,460 USD. 5,460 USD is like 4 lakh rupees, 4,11,000 rupees bare minimum from a blog per month without doing anything other than creating a quality content. That's it. One of the reasons why these people, those who are running affiliate channels, YouTube channels, they make huge money because they produce content and they help people to finally sell the product. And the results are in front of you. 4 lakh plus income. That's bare minimum, believe me. Everybody able to relate? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, if you have to understand this process, now affiliate marketing, one can easily go ahead and make money from. We in fact teach you guys this particular thing in our training program. Not true for all websites, sir. Abhishek, that depends. That depends how smart you are. Okay, let me ask you guys a very simple question. How many of you have read this blog anywhere, somewhere, once while searching for content writing course? Anywhere, somewhere, one. Others? Those who have. Now, for us, obviously, we are promoting our own programs. That's first. We also promote programs, those are not related to us. Right? You search for any keyword, digital marketing course, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. We sell a product at 41,000 rupees. Every month, this blog helps us to capture 20 students in our digital marketing course and at least 20 students for our content writing course. All right. Now it's almost a business of almost 12 lakh rupees that we get from our blog every month. Now, given that's our case, are you able to relate this, Abhishek? And when somebody will buy for other websites, we may have a different types of expectations. So it's all about how you leverage the platform. And it's not just one platform that we run as an affiliate. We in fact sell other courses here. It's not that we just don't, are selling our own courses. We sell courses with Udemy. We are running affiliates with Udemy. We are affiliates here. You could check this link. So we get a commission if somebody buy or makes a purchase here. I have advisoruncle.com, coursedeco.com, coursenearyou.com, webofk.com, digitalcoursesindia.com, idiot.com. All these websites are around affiliates. And just for your information, I started my career as a writer. As my first stream of income was only this. Okay, so let me go ahead and create what we actually give you them. First and foremost, do not ever make content from the point of view of affiliate as your primary source of income. It should always be secondary. Whether you earn $1 or $100, it should be secondary. Second thing, you should give yourself 2 years to scale up an affiliate channel. It's not that easy. Once you are scaled up a business, this is one of those types of things that will give you money forever. It just takes one thing: patience, consistency, and good skills around producing a relevant content. How we help? We help you to launch yourself as an affiliate, but we are not saying a word here that you will make your first dollar within the time span, because there are so many practices one needs to follow. Just remember. So it takes time to scale up, but the foundation will happen here in IIM Skills program. Everybody clear? Now, this is what you get. Now, let's talk about a little bit of our training program, and then we will open our Q&A round. Why IIM Skills? First and foremost, 100% objective driven training. If you're here to get a job, you'll get a job. If you're here to start with a business, you will launch your business with us in the course, not after the course. Anything and everything will happen within the time period. 100% practical learning with weekly assessments, evaluations, feedbacks, and you are going to develop each and every skill. You will see your improvement about writing every type of a content within the time, and you will get feedbacks on time. Trainer support throughout the training. There are no mediators between you and us. So when I say us, there are two different faculties, those who are going to lead the program. And you will have throughout the training period, even after that, a complete support directly from us. No mediators. You're not supposed to speak with somebody on our behalf. So if you're stuck, talk to me directly. Lifetime access for the classes, recordings, live lectures, and everything, including the tools part. Wherever you are stuck, reach out. Whenever you would like to revise, check all tools, everything. You can access this LMS with your mobile, laptop, tablets, anything. Lifetime access. If you would like to do the live training program again for free, just mail us. You will get access. Let's say in 2023, you would like to repeat the course. You have access for the same, free of cost. Rest are all selling thing. I would not like to get into that. Now, how this program works. There are in total 14 lectures. These lectures are 4 classes for 4 consecutive Sundays, starting from 26th of December till 16th of Jan, I guess. Something like that, yes. 4 hours each, 16 hours live lecture, then 1 week break, and then 10 classes with me. In those 10 classes, you are going to learn all the types of implementation. You will actually be going live with the book and all that. And these classes are 8 to 9 p.m. again on Sundays. These are again on Sundays. These are again on Sundays. Everybody clear? The program has a ticket of 12,900 plus 18% tax. And the total is 15,222. The 26th December batch is left with the last 2 seats. We will open the seat. And after this, 23rd of Jan, we have another batch. You guys can accordingly participate based on your interest or based on your planning. Once you complete the internship, if you're here to get a job, we will get you the interviews part done. If you're here to start with freelancing, you're going to launch that within the training. All right. We do not have weekdays classes, and let me just go ahead and see if I've missed anything. These are the skill sets you will develop. Rest, I think I'm done with each and everything. There are 2 exams, part of the course. One is with HubSpot US, one is with IIM Skills. Both are exam driven. You have to clear objective MCQs are there, and once you clear them, you're good. You will be certified from our side. And the certificate copy looks like this. We are in India, we are registered with MSME, Government of India certification. This is how the certification of IAM skills will look like. This is how your HubSpot certification will look like. And I think it's time to take your questions. So I will remain online until 4:10 p.m. But remember one thing, all those, okay, how many of you have a plan to start with immediately, 26th December? Those who will write me, to those guys, I am going to provide a direct link so that they can get themselves on board within next 20 to 30 minutes, given only the last 2 seats are left. If these 2 seats are done, you can have this URL. Those who are here to start with December 26th, first click on the URL and please get yourself on board. If you have registered and we are done with the seating part, we will be moving you to the 23rd Jan batch. I repeat, 23rd Jan. So you're requested to accordingly book and proceed next. Now, I am open to take your questions. If anybody would like to talk, can go ahead and let me know to unmute. Otherwise, you can raise your questions in the chat box and let's go ahead and take it forward. As I have requested, people looking forward to start with the upcoming batch are requested to first register and then ask questions. And let me know if I have to unmute you. Your questions, please. Are the assignments writing based? Yes. All assignments are writing based, Asha. You will be writing SOPs, articles, PRs, books, everything in the training. Is there a process to earn the internship or is it a natural process? Now, the point is, Shivali, internships are given to everybody, those who will clear the examination, because it's a part of the training period. And once it is done, the job placement and everything will be provided. What and how much will be the additional cost as a domain buying WordPress? Domain cost you around 500 rupee annually. Hosting cost you around 99 rupee per month to 125 rupee per month, depending upon the plans and everything. That's not even mandatory that you are supposed to take, up to you. But we recommend. What's the fee structure? 15,222. I am good for now. We'll plan to join Jan 23rd batch. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sri Lakshmi. Looking forward. Yoshika, 15,222. Let me write this, including taxes. Do you have classes for the weekdays? At the moment, we're not conducting weekday session because of COVID thing. We're getting very less interest in the weekdays. Those who would like to start with Jan can get in touch accordingly. We will open the seats from today evening and you can accordingly pre-book yourself. Does your fee have a refundable option? If you do not like the course after the lesson number 1, within 24 hours, you can apply for a refund. You can read our refund policy. It's very clearly stated here. Here, refund policy, you can read the same. Let me. Do you have facility for installments? If you have a credit card from any bank, you get 3 installments without any extra charges. Yes, you will get the IDBI Bank credit card, 3 interest-free EMIs. Shiva will guide you from our team. December 26th batch. Anybody who has a plan to take it forward? What if we are unable to finish the assignments within a week? You have to ask for the permission for an extension. We understand it's not that you are bound. However, you have to give us the deadline that by this date, I am going to submit the same. You will be allowed. I have my own blog affiliates to a couple of networks such as CJ Affiliates, Rakuten. Will you assist signing up for Amazon affiliate? If you are done with all the documentation that requires for the affiliate to become affiliate with Amazon, yes, we will. And it's not a rocket science, by the way. You can even do it right now. You don't have to take up our training program, Francis, for the same. In installments, the fee will be different or the same amount? Same amount, yeah. Not at all extra. We are good people, don't worry. We don't manipulate anything. Whatever we have, it's open for all. One great part about us is that we have never given any kind of discounts or something. So what we do, the first thing, people become members on the WhatsApp group. First question they ask each other is, at what price you were sold? Nobody was sold at a different price. I'm going to be there online for the next 4 minutes, guys. Any more questions you would like to ask? Thank you, Jay Kumar. People from 26th December batch. May I get yes from you in the chat box so that Shiva can go ahead and set the alignment accordingly? And great, Shivali. If you guys can just go ahead and can I get the brochure? Yeah, Yushika, we will mail you. Can you share your mail address here? It's a private chat between you and me now. Shiva will drop you an email. All right, seems like all the questions are answered now. So everybody, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. You have a great time and plan your 2022 with a good professional, you can say career planning. For any help, get in touch with us and we will be glad to help, to support and ensure that you guys get the maximum outcome. Once again, everybody, thank you for giving your 1 hour, 10 minutes to us. You guys were amazing. Thank you once again. Let me go ahead and end the session now. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.